Hello and welcome back. Now let's start with our navbar. So let's back to the navbar and to the HTML. So let's make a simple navbar setup. So what I do is nav tag, nav tag with a class called navbar, uh, navbar, navbar expand sm, navbar dark, and bg bg success, and one container, and let's say one anchor tag. Let's say href, just normal. It's not href, it will be a router link. Let's say slash and give a class called navbar brand. Let's say this is big basket. Okay, let's say capital B, and you can also have some icon that is fa minus basket. I think yeah, shopping cart you take. Let's see how it is. Looks good. Okay, so below this I'll take one division with collapse, and one second, collapse, navbar collapse. In this we have ul li a. Again, this will be a router link to slash, and this will be a home page. And let me give the classes. So this will be navbar nav, this will be nav item, and this will be nav link. Let's check. You got a home page. So same like this, I need a products page and admin page. Let's make it as a products, and this is admin. Okay, that's fine. But what about the links? So links we have taken, that is products slash list. So this guy will be the product slash list, and this guy will be product slash admin. Okay, so my navbar is finished, and let's make some home page details. But first of all, let's configure them on routing file. Go to routing file, and here let's make for the paths. I guess you can make here only. Path will be just empty, and the component goes to be the home page component. And let's make multiple things. Home page component, and let's say products slash list. This will be product display component. Next, product slash admin. So this will be admin, products admin component. And next, products slash add, that will be products, not products, it is add products component. And finally we need one more, products slash colon product id. I'll tell you why I have written this, product id. So this will be edit product component, and that's all. Okay, so we had a configuration. Now let me check. See, homepage works, product display works, admin works. Yeah, and that too without page refresh. The routing system is working. That's fine. And now let's move on to the home page, because we need to have a full screen landing page which is having some this type of content. So I will go to the home page component on a HTML. Let's make some landing page, and one wrapper. I think we have done the same thing for Angular routing example, for Angular tutorial. In this we have one division. In this h5 with the class called display 4. Let's say big basket, and I can also add some icon there. fa minus shopping cart. Let's check. Oh, I got a background image because I was using a previous setup. So when I go to my style.css, yeah, I have a styles already, but I don't need this background. I already have an image on my local copy. So I'll keep it in the assets folder, images. I'll paste it so that I can change this to crockery image. I think that's fine. Okay, looks good. And what about this color? I can change the color to something, some sea green. It looks good, but uh, you can choose a certain color. I guess some, okay, some lightest color. Okay, some light color. That's fine, and let's keep it at the center. So how to keep it center? We have a classes deflex and flex column and justify content center and align items center, text also center, and the height 100%. Okay, that's came in center. And then let's have a paragraph lorem 40 tab, so you get this also at the center. Okay, so that's fine, but it's very light. One change. Okay, that's fine. So this is your home page, and go to products page now, and let's make something of it. Actually, I'll do one thing. Come, copy this. I'll just switch to another browser because here I have color palette so that I can pick up some color. Correct. So this one something in some lightest color. I'll tell you for why. Why? Because for the whole background of body tag, background color is this, and it's important. Yes, now looks good. Home page, and once again, you may copy this color, give it to, give it to here. So it's very light. Don't spend much time on this. I just needed some lightest color. Okay, that's fine, and don't spend much time. Yeah, home page is ready, and let's make the product display page. So first of all, I'll just make a dummy text, and then we'll later on we'll change to the original text. So where is that? If you go to routing, you can find product display. Yeah. So on a HTML, let's make what will be there? One container, and with some margin top 3. In this one container is there. Row, single column. Let's say p.h3. Let's say products display. Okay, so let's make some text success, and let's make some content. Let's say lorem 30 tab. You get some content display, and below that I wanted to display each product's information in a cards format. So why can't you display that another container? So with some margin top 3, one row, call md, I get 3, because 4 cards we want. So card with card body, and also the card header. So in the card header we want an image. So as of now I'll just get some dummy images from the big basket application. So let me search for fruits and vegetables. Let me have carrot. Okay, so let's copy image address. So I write image tag srcl, paste it. As of now hardcode data, just to confirm how it looks like. Oh, it came outside. You can say class img fluid. Yeah, it fills inside, but still the background color. Here let's say bg white. Okay, looks good. And below that, this place I want to make some display ulli. So this is the class called list group, and this will be the list group item, and let's say the name of it. You get the name. Okay, name, price and quantity. Okay, name, price and quantity. So let's say price name carrots, and price some 56 rupees. So rupees you can write in a rupee symbol. Okay, I just write dot 00 as of now, and quantity around some available quantity 15 kgs. Okay, that's fine I guess, but I want this to be something bolder. You can actually make some span tag with the class font weight bold. You can display. .00, and this guy is some 34 kgs. Okay, so this looks good, and you can also add for the card some shadow. That's fine. Now can we make multiple cards over here? As of now, copy that. Okay, so we have finished with the first page with the W design, and then let's focus on a admin page. So let's focus on admin page in the next video. Thank you.